Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a new device to the Duo mobile app using your iPhone. Let's get started. Now open Duo mobile app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on continue. After that, tap use a QR code. Your camera will open. This means Duo is ready to connect to your new device. Now grab your computer or laptop, sign in to the website for work, tool or service that uses Duo. To sign in, look for an option that says add a new device, manage device or set up Duo. Choose iPhone as the device type. A QR code will appear on the screen. Go back to your iPhone and point the camera at the QR code. Make sure the code fits inside the box of your screen. Once it's scanned, Duo will automatically add the account to your phone. This only takes a few seconds, and that's it. We have successfully added a device to Duo mobile app on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.